Google is just days away from revealing the Pixel 11 series, and the latest leaks are pointing to what could be the biggest hardware change in Pixel history. The official launch is expected on August 12th, but thanks to multiple reports, a lot of exciting details have already surfaced. From a redesigned camera bar to powerful AI upgrades and a completely new notification system, the Pixel 11 Pro XL is shaping up to be one of the most interesting flagship smartphones of the year. At first glance, the Pixel 11 Pro XL may look familiar, but Google has made several important design improvements. The biggest visual change is the camera bar. Instead of separate glass sections, the entire camera module is now rumored to sit under one single piece of glass. This gives the phone a much cleaner and more premium appearance, while also making the camera area look more seamless. The Pro XL is also expected to feature thinner bezels around the display, giving users more screen space and making the phone look even more modern. While the overall Pixel design remains recognizable, these small refinements could make a big difference in everyday use and premium feel. One of the biggest highlights of the Pixel 11 lineup is Google's continued focus on artificial intelligence. The new Gemini AI system is expected to power many of the phone's smartest features. Instead of simply reacting to commands, the phone will reportedly learn user habits and provide more personalized assistance throughout the day. Typing could become faster with smarter predictive text suggestions. Real-time language translation is also expected to become even more accurate, making conversations across different languages much easier. Google is also improving AI inside the camera, allowing it to automatically recognize scenes and adjust settings instantly for better photos without requiring manual changes. Another feature that has generated huge excitement is something called Pixel Glow. According to recent leaks, Google may introduce an RGB lighting system built into the back of the Pixel 11 Pro XL. Instead of constantly turning the phone over to check notifications, the lighting could display different colors for incoming calls, messages, or other alerts. This would be one of the biggest hardware additions Google has made to a Pixel phone in years. It not only adds a unique visual identity, but also gives users a new way to stay connected without waking up the display. Right now, reports suggest that Pixel Glow could remain exclusive to the Pro XL model, although Google has not officially confirmed this feature yet. The camera system is also receiving major upgrades. The Pixel series has always been known for excellent photography, but this year, Google appears to be taking things even further. The Pro XL is rumored to feature up to 30 times digital zoom through its upgraded telephoto camera. Combined with Google's AI image processing, users can expect sharper zoom shots, better low-light performance, and more natural-looking colors. Whether capturing landscapes, wildlife, concerts, or everyday moments, the Pixel 11 Pro XL is expected to deliver flagship-level photography with very little effort from the user. Powering everything is Google's brand new Tensor G6 processor. This custom chip is expected to bring noticeable improvements in speed, efficiency, and AI performance. Heavy gaming, multitasking, video editing, and advanced AI features should all run much more smoothly than before. Battery efficiency is also expected to improve thanks to the new chip, allowing users to enjoy longer usage throughout the day without worrying about constantly reaching for the charger. Leaks also suggest that Google will offer several new color options for the Pixel 11 lineup. While the exact names have not been confirmed, buyers can likely expect both classic colors and a few fresh premium finishes to match different styles. Of course, there are still a few unanswered questions. Will Pixel Glow support third-party apps? Will this lighting feature eventually come to other Pixel models? And perhaps the biggest mystery of all is pricing, which Google is keeping secret until launch day. With only a short time left before the official announcement, the Pixel 11 Pro XL is already looking like one of Google's biggest smartphone upgrades in years. A refined design, powerful Tensor G6 chip, smarter Gemini AI, upgraded cameras, and the all-new Pixel Glow notification system could make this one of the strongest Android flagships of 2026. Now all that's left is for Google to officially reveal everything on August 12th. If these leaks turn out to be accurate, the Pixel 11 Pro XL could easily become one of the most talked about smartphones of the year. If this update was helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest smartphone leaks, launches, and tech updates.